Hi, this is Valerie, and today we are going to talk about how to delete a contact completely out of your CRM account. So, if you want to delete someone, and let's say this person I want to delete, which is me, you can do it two ways. You can click on them like this and see the little trash can, and you hit delete and you delete them. There's other ways you can do this. If you want to delete multiple people, you can do that and then hit delete. So the easiest way is to just go to your contacts. So if you start out on the dashboard, you're going to go to contacts, you're going to select the contact and you're going to hit delete. Now, if you don't see the contact right away, you just search for their name. So I'm just going to search for Mary and then I'm going to delete Mary. Okay, so you can put in their last name, their first name, their email address, whatever it is you want, and you can delete them. So I'm just going to go back to all. I'm going to clear this out. I'm deleting this contact, delete, confirm, and boom, you're done. Hope that helps everybody understand how to delete somebody. If you just give it 1 second, this will go away. There you go. Thanks. Bye.